Hello, my name is Aqua, and this is to demonstrate the user instruction for You Are Not Alone project. First, I type the URL www.youarenotaloneml. We already have it open. Then we enter the username and password. Then it brings us to the website. So this is the home page where we have the sad truth, which is a home page, never too late, the unified front, a step to the police. So click on learn more, brings us to this part of it, what sexual harassment and assault really is and who we are is. Then we go back to the home page. We go to get support, takes us to loads for a while and takes us to the support page. It gives us a fair idea of Monash's support system and gives us a detail on the app that Monash is using to fight sexual harassment and assault. As we go down, based on the campuses, Monash campuses, we have the police stations close by. When we click get default, it shows the police station in text, and when we want to see that in map, it shows that on the map. So we click where the red arrow is and it gives us the address at the bottom. So that's it. So same thing for all of them, for NGO, SOCIS, health support, and legal service. Then we can go home again so that we don't get lost. The unified front sends us to the actions being taken by the Monashan universities. So it gives us a fair idea of the risk ranking of Monash. So as you put the cursor close to the bar, it gives us the percentage. So Monash is 13.16%, for harassment and assault is 13.92%. Then at the bottom gives us we select the university we want to see their actions, so Monash, and then this is a default keyword which is support. Click submit. And then it gives us the support, the actions that Monash has taken and is taking now to combat sexual harassment and sexual assault. And go back to home, lost for a while, and then sends us to the police. So this shows the police proceedings, what goes on. So the first one, medical examination, goes on, a written statement, and then on and on and on. We can as well use this sidebar which gives us the steps. So after that we can go back to our home page, and that is the user instruction video for You Are Not Alone. Thank you.